Very good choice, Papa, of shoes. Good for your clothes, Mamay. Nothing anymore at all. Just keep working, working, working. That's why now I will wait what I but I do Marcos meal. Marcos, mommy, you eat food, ah? I'm not going to give you anymore. Or you only eat potato and carrots, da? Da, mommy? You eat potato and carrots, da? Marcos, you should eat food, not chocolate, da? You should eat food. Not only sweet, sweet, sweet. It's not good for your body, mommy. It's not good at all. I think it's enough. Got this one.